Hello, good evening, all of you. Welcome to another new video. It's me, Shamal. You know that I am walking in paddy field, so I have to go that's land to work after sometime late before. So already my mother's go there for work, and she said me to come here to helping her because I have to cut some grass. Actually, my mother are cutting. My mother is cutting grass, hybrid grass. So one bundle hybrid grass is so heavy weight. She is not able to carry the grass bundle. That's why she said me come here to helping her. That's why I have came here. It is our land, you know. That's previous video I show you. If I turn camera, you can see there's my mother's cutting grass. I have came here to carry the bundle of grass. So these are quite little. These grass are grow up day by day. So those type of grass are long. First we have to cut. After that this grass will new grow up. So if I go there, you can see my mother is cutting over there hybrid grass. After cutting, I will just carry the grass because the grass weight is so heavy. She is not able to carry because she is old man. She is holding the grass. Then I will. So it's evening time. After half an hour or 20 minutes later, here will come here fox and they will call. That's why we have to go quickly. My behind it is a magic fish, and left side are so grass. So I have to leave now. She is complete the bundle of grass. I have to carry on my head to my house. So everybody, thank you so much for watching this video. Yeah. Mobile daddy. The bundle of the grass on my head. So it is a small bundle. So now grass are not available. That's why she cut. So I am going to house. My mother will come later because so everybody, thank you so much for watching this video. See you another video. Bye.